Hey guys, Andy here. So as you can tell by this big beast behind me, I'm hanging out at the Kennedy Space Center, and it's a very, very funky, cool place to be. And of course, the reason I'm here is that tonight I'm seeing a rocket launch. Not far from here, we're going to transport shortly to the Saturn V Space Center. It's kind of hot today, you can tell I'm kind of sweaty. But it's really exciting to be here. Tonight they're going to launch the Kacific1. Kacific1 is a communications satellite that, well, I'll tell you a few things about it. It's pretty cool. It's going to broadcast signals to Vanuatu, to Timor. It's going to broadcast to Fiji, PNG. It's going to broadcast to the Philippines and to Singapore. And all the representatives from all those countries are here. I've been hanging out with them, including the chief judge of Fiji, Papua New Guinea. Anyway, it's cool. Some things that are funky about this satellite. It's going up on a Falcon 9, which is SpaceX, right? SpaceX are pretty cool, but this is the heaviest satellite they've ever attempted to launch. No pressure. It's a clear night, we're looking good. This satellite costs $300 million, and it's the size of a double-decker bus. Well, double-decker bus. To launch it on a SpaceX Falcon 9 costs $80 million. Yep, that's all the zeros. The ground crew and the insurance and the facility, you could add another $50,000 to that. And of course, you know how SpaceX is really clever, and they have the reusable rockets where they bring the booster back and they catch the booster on the, I love the name of this thing, Of Course I Still Love You, recovery ship. Well, SpaceX will launch your rocket and not use the booster recovery system if you want them to, but it'll cost you an extra $40 million if that's the case. So there's some serious bucks at play going on here. But tonight, the launch is scheduled for our time, anytime from 7 o'clock onwards. We've got clear skies, clear oceans. You have to have a clear ocean as well as a clear sky, because otherwise they can't launch the recovery vehicle and the launch gets scrubbed. Yeah, go figure. So tonight might still not happen, but so far everything's in place. Australian time, I think you'll launch in Melbourne about 11 o'clock in the morning. I posted a link earlier for the SpaceX website where you can follow along, but apparently they put on a good show. So we're really looking forward to it. Of course, on Friday morning in our time here, there's also the chance that we'll get to see a second rocket launch where they're testing the Boeing Starliner, which is the capsule, uncrewed, that they're going to test on an Atlas V rocket. That one's at 6:30 in the morning our time, so I'm not sure what the conversion is there. I'll keep you updated later. Assuming that one goes ahead, which means I have to be here at 3:30 in the morning. Yes, 3:30 in the morning, you heard that right. But that's Friday, assuming everything goes according to plan. But tonight, we're hanging out with all the guys from Kacific. They're lovely people. Had a blast with them, been staying in the villas with them all and, you know, drinking far too much with them. But fingers crossed, we'll get this baby up and watch along with me. Anyway, if we still have internet where we're going to actually see the launch, I'll keep you posted, guys. Anyway, see ya. Hi, Scott. Hi, Stefan. Hi, Ian. Hope you're going well, mate. Anyway, take it easy, guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye.